Well, hello and welcome to Gardening with Granny. It is mid-November and we are actually having a glorious day. It is sunshiny, around 50 degrees, and I'm going to do some harvesting. So let me turn the camera around and show you what I mean. So here are my green stalks, and we've been covering them at night. It's been down to the 30s, high 20s each night for about a week now. But we've got some gorgeous parsley that that I can harvest, and so that's what I want to do. I also have a little bit of Swiss chard down there, lettuce, baby greens. We do still have some celery, but I've got a patch that I think will be better for us. Not too much promising here, but another yummy patch of parsley. So let me get that harvested. There they are, all tucked in for another night. They are quite sizable. I'm actually putting two under this one cover. They work quite comfortably, so I'm very pleased with these green stalks. And there we have it, some lovely parsley and some chard for tomorrow's omelet. Well, it's much sunnier over here. So in our herb garden, I want to collect some sage because next week is Thanksgiving. So let's put some of that in our basket. Also found some lemon balm. We make a nice tea, and some greens that I can put in our spaghetti sauce for tonight. Our leeks are still growing strong. I'm going to see if I can dig these up. I forgot to bring a trowel with me. Well, they are tough in the ground. Nope. Oh, yay. One of them decided to let me have it. So there we go. Got a leek. I think we'll have success with another one here. Oh, they are in the ground. There we go. Two leeks. Here's our celery patch. Let's see what we got in here. We've got some nice stalks. Yep, I think I'll dig through those. Well, those are some lovely stalks. Very impressed with these. I have one more bed. I think I've got some Swiss chard in. Yeah, here we go. Some lovely Swiss chard here. Let's gather some of that. Well, not bad for mid-November. In fact, some mid-Novembers, all my beds are covered in snow. So I'm very pleased. This is going to be some yummy breakfasts, some yummy dinners, some snacks. What's happening in your garden? Well, thanks for joining me on this very productive day. And I appreciate you watching Gardening with Granny.